Many of you asked me for a demo of an affordable cordless vacuum cleaner, and the ILIFE products was one of my recommendations in my video on best cordless vacuums under 20,000. So I reached out to the ILIFE team to send me the product to demo so you can make an informed decision, and they did. Let's clean areas of my living room today with the ILIFE cordless vacuum cleaner. I always tend to clean top to bottom so that even if dust falls down, it will get captured during the floor cleaning run. First, the ceiling and the fans. The ILIFE H75 has a multi-purpose brush that I prefer to use as I can smoothly drag it along the wall and ceiling. To clean the fan, again the multi-purpose brush is quite useful. The H75 is about 2.5 kgs in weight. Now this can be a bit heavy for fans where more navigation and control is required. It is not so difficult for cleaning corners of the ceilings. For ceiling fans that require more dexterity, I do use a ladder, which makes it a lot easier irrespective of the weight of the vacuum cleaner. Next is dusting. Again, I tend to use the multi-purpose brush to dust the TV screen that gathers so much dust, delicate appliances like the sound bar, delicate artifacts at home, and also overall the surface of side tables and so on. This brush is truly multi-purpose. Did you know that your keyboard is one of the dirtiest areas of your house? Yes, even dirtier than your toilets. I also clean the keys of my laptop with this multi-purpose brush, getting rid of the dust and bacteria on it. Next is the sofas. Now the H75 does not have a dedicated upholstery attachment, but there are a few different ways to approach this. The roller attachment that has been provided for carpets can also be used to clean the large surfaces of the sofa or mattress. It does so quite well. Make sure to clean it properly with a wet wipe or cloth before using it on the sofa. For smaller surfaces, I use the multi-purpose brush with the brush pushed back. This helps it easy to clean the armrests and back of the sofa. Lastly, I use the crevice tool to clean out the crevices in the sofa. If you tend to eat on your sofas, you never know what treasures you will find in the crevices. The ILIFE H75 does a fairly decent job with this. The ILIFE H75 has an adjustable extension rod which is unique. So while cleaning sofas, you can adjust the rod to the height that is comfortable for you, rather than not using the rod, which may then need you to bend to clean the sofas. The ILIFE H75 has a suction power of up to 22 kPa. If your sofa or upholstery is fairly dirty, you can go all the way up to the maximum suction power. Otherwise, on a day-to-day basis, you can use the standard suction power, which is sufficient for regular cleaning and also gives a longer battery life. You can also purchase an extra battery to extend your battery life for a longer cleaning run. Lastly, coming to the floors and stairs. Whether you have a carpeted floor or hardwood floor or tiled floor, the ILIFE H75 has two different types of brushes that can be used to clean the floor. One with a brush for carpeted surfaces and one with foam for hard surfaces. To clean under furniture, it also has an LED light that can be turned on to see what's really going on below the furniture. Since moving the vacuum cleaner under the sofa can be difficult, the motorized attachment in the ILIFE H75 can rotate 180 degrees horizontally and 90 degrees vertically, which is very useful for cleaning. For the floors, a standard suction power setting is sufficient more often than not, which gives the maximum battery coverage. Let's talk about cleaning the cleaner itself. The ILIFE H75 has a fairly large bin size of about 1.3 liters that makes it very convenient, as then you don't have to empty the bin after every single cleaning run. Emptying the bin is fairly easy as well, just empty at a click of a button. No hassles like the dust bags that we used to get previously in previous generation vacuum cleaners. It has washable filters that you need to run under water and dry before using again. The attachments like the crevice tool and multi-purpose brush can be washed under running water. The other attachments can be dismantled and wiped with a wet wipe or cloth. They also give a 1-year warranty with a 1-year extended warranty on registration of the product. I have always been a proponent of a cordless vacuum cleaner, mainly because of the convenience. I hope this was useful. If you like this video, you may want to watch this video next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.